love it, bro. It's so nice.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I don't know how to get it off. I can't do it. It says something about lifting and pulling it back.
Oh, there's a little Allen key here.
Really?
Tiny, yeah, little Allen key under there. I think once that's off, then it should just pop off.
Mad, because Google didn't mention that once.
Yeah. Hey.
Pop.
Then it should just slide off, do you reckon? There we go, something's happening. We can ride over to mine and socket this off as well. Why don't we do that?
Can we?
Yeah, 100%.
That's clean, I like that little shape.
Yeah. How much is the little trays?
70 quid, 80 quid?
Yeah, just fucking
You
pop
take this
that
out,
on.
and you basically just bolt it onto these four.
Yeah, cool. Now it just looks like a little solo pod. Yeah, I like that.
Then you get, imagine that with a little tray there.
Yeah.
That gone, this gone, black shotguns, done.
Yeah, come, let's go get this off. Let's get that off.
You excited now?
Yeah.
Yo guys, so gonna give it a clean up. Get rid of this ugly thing.
Project Austin Customs.
Austin's Magic Custard.
Austin's Magic Custard?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, I've got a little charging thing.
Yeah, a little trickle charger, yeah, that's nice.
Whipper. I didn't know that. That's the fuse, isn't it?
What I've asked for Christmas is like an electric one of these. Like a,
electric screwdriver?
yeah where you can get the job done like so much easier. Go on, do the magic, just pull it up. Should be able to come up now. No? We're still connected? Jeez! Alright, sweet.
Clean girly.
Oh, okay, so that's basically that.
Yeah.
It's just the one bolt there and then we're off. Easy. Alright, sweet. That's going to be a 12, I reckon.
You reckon? What you got on there now?
A 12.
Bosh.
What do you reckon?
I'll hold it just in case it draws.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Who's Lucy?
Oh, it is a 12, mate. I'm so good at this,
You're sick, you are sick.
Geordie's round up. There's a kite up there as well, looking over us.
Beautiful.
That's loose already. I can do it with my... Go. Bosh. I love that this has got a centre stand.
I know, they come and stop.
How good is that?
Yeah.
I can't remember my last one having one. I think it did.
Yeah, mine did. You took yours off.
I think I... Did I try? Oh, maybe I did, yeah. Yeah, nice little tail tie would be awesome. So it just bolts in there. Literally just them two bolts. Dunk. Plug and play the indicator switch. It's such an easy job to do.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Buy it later.
We'll do it. We'll do it today.
Such a big improvement. Go on. You got it?
Yeah, go.
Hold it.
I need to buy that tray now, don't I? Because that looks awful.
Yeah, I see. You wave at us? You wave at us?
Yeah.
Cool dude. What's that, a Ducati?
Yeah.
quite clean.
I want to get some bars as well. I want black bars.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. And what do you think, the black ones or the silver shotguns?
You want black?
Just because the engine's black, I think it would like complete it.
Get silver.
Black rear tray as well.
Yeah, black rear tray, yeah, for sure.
Okay. Black grille, black rear tray, black bars, silver pipes. I like how those Interceptors sound. They sound good stock. Does it wind you up at all that you've got two different tyres or not?
I didn't even realise. So the front is what comes stock, isn't it?
Yeah, front is stock, and then
They're pretty horrible, aren't they? But he's obviously just bought a new for that.
Yeah.
Bought a new one. I didn't even realise that. What is that? Oh, it's an Avon. Oh, nice. Maybe I'll just match the front then.
yeah, it looks quite clean as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, maybe I'll just get another Avon front. Then I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep it road biased this one, and not go. Because every time I put knobblies on a bike, I start to not like it.
Yeah, and you get rid
It
of
looks
it.
awesome.
Yeah.
Because I like that it's a genuine Royal Enfield one.
Yeah.
I like that the old school lights.
Yeah, it looks lovely.
Indicator. I think I'm gonna pretty keep it a lot of it. What about bar ends? Will bar ends suit it or not?
I didn't, and I regretted it because towards the end they were like spinning around. Do you remember?
I might go bar ends, just black bar ends.
Yeah, do it.
They won't look perfect, but I've got the black tank coming. My old black leather seat I bought. I'll probably get my leather bags to cover these again.
Yeah, nice.
Let's do that now.
Yeah, do it now. Get rid of it.
Take that off, little plate, black tank, black leather bags, and then be done with it. I'm not going to change any electrical stuff, no lights. Keep all the stock lights.
And you know what will happen? You'll absolutely fall in love with it.
Yeah, I think I will. It's such a good bag. All right. Just about. The action is coming off, bro.
Yeah, it's a clean bike.
It's coming off.
Yeah, you need to get that loop round there. Look, well done.
Yes. First mile of the day.
That looks smart.
Yeah, we don't need that, do we?
Nah.
Then I've just ordered a black and grey glove.
Yeah, that looks cool.
That's all it needs. You don't need a whole tail tie.
Do you want to do the front one as well or no?
I don't know if to keep that on.
The only reason I say keep it on is
For the
because,
winter
again,
vibes.
from experience, that just gets caked. It already is
Yeah.
covered in stuff.
I'll keep it on then for now because it's just going to be shit weather. Well done with the bike. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, see you in a bit. Yeah, it looks clean now.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
And I'll buy the tray.
Yeah. Austin's just ridden off without his phone. Idiot boy. Idiot boy. Austin, come back and get your phone, donut. Hey guys, how we doing? Well, I've had quite an eventful day. I've picked up a new project. I've recorded bits and bobs of the whole day, so apologies if this video is a bit everywhere and not making sense, but I've picked up another Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 this morning. Really lovely guy, quite local to me. The bike is absolutely mint. It's a 2019, so what, 7 years old now, but it's absolutely mint. It's literally like a brand new bike and compared to some of the Interceptors that I've had before. this one, there's not a bit of rust or dirt on it. It's really, really beautiful. It's been garaged all its life. So yeah, she's lovely, rides like a new bike, rode her home, beautiful, great ride. Honestly, these Interceptor 650s are the best value bike ever. Hands down, I've always said it. They're mine and Austin's favourite bike. We've both owned them. Everyone we speak to who's owned them have loved them. I know you guys love them on the channel. It's how I got the channel started. I started on a Continental GT, and then I did the Interceptor Scrambler build, the blacked out one. So this one, I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. I'm gonna keep it more road focused rather than Scrambler. So I've done the Scrambler now, so that's out my system. So this one, I'm actually gonna keep quite stock. I quite like the idea of keeping the stock indicators, the stock headlight, even the stock pipes I'm probably gonna keep. And what I am going to change, I'm going to go for a black tank that I've just bought on eBay for second hand, a blacked out tank with the Royal Enfield emblems on. I'm going to have a nice leather seat, the same black leather seat that I had on the Scrambler build. I've actually bought that exact seat back from the owner because he's changed it to a brown one. So I'm going to have a nice black trip machine seat, black tank, keep the stock indicators, headlight, probably keep the stock front windshield because that's a genuine Royal Enfield piece that I really like. I'm gonna go for some bar end mirrors, potentially change the bars, but I do quite enjoy them. There's a guy on Instagram that I found, I'm gonna put his picture up, that I'm not gonna copy his build like for like, but huge inspiration is from this Instagram account. I'll show you the bike now. So as you see there, he's pretty much kept it stock, but he's done such a good job. He's obviously got some slightly different bars. He's got a nice little chrome mirror, but he's gone for that black and chrome, and that's exactly what I'm gonna go for with this bike, black and chrome. I'm not gonna rattle can this one. I'm gonna get the genuine black tank. The tank that's on it at the moment is actually been wrapped in like this light blue color. It's a lovely bike, it's a lovely wrap. It looks really cool, but it doesn't quite suit me. You know what I like, I love black bikes. So I'm gonna sell this tank that's wrapped. I've bought the black tank, so I'm gonna get them swapped over when it arrives. So that's gonna be awesome. I need a winter project. I didn't want anything too expensive because, as you know, I don't have a garage, so it's gonna be outside and I didn't want it to rust away through winter. So this is the perfect bike for a project like this. Very, very happy. Again, sorry if this is a bit all over the place, this video. Been having some fun with Austin on his. Just wanted to keep you guys updated on what's going on. Plenty more videos to come on this beautiful Interceptor build. In a couple of weeks, me, Austin, Jack, and a few others are gonna head over to Motorcycle Live in Birmingham. We're gonna take the bikes up there. I'll bring you along with me for that, so stay tuned. I'm gonna end it there. Hope you guys had a lovely weekend, and I'll catch you in the next one.